Before you automate a process, make sure that process actually makes sense. I know it sounds obvious, but that step gets skipped all the time. A team has a slow approval process, and the first idea is, let's automate it. But when you look closer, the problem is not that the process is manual. The problem is that no one has clearly defined how the process is supposed to work. Who starts the request? What information is required? Who approves it? What happens if something is missing? What happens if the request is urgent? And who gets notified? Where does the final decision get stored? What type of reporting does leadership need to see? If those questions are unclear, then automation will not solve your problem. It just makes your confusion faster. That's why fixing the problem comes first. Before building the form, the app, the flow, or the dashboard, take time to slow down and understand the work. Clarify the ownership. Define the approval rules. Decide what needs to be tracked. Then automate the parts that are stable enough to support it. Automation is so powerful when the process is clear. But when the process is broken, automation can make the problem harder to see and even harder to unwind. At SolutioNext, we help organizations clean up the process first and then modernize the work with the tools that they already own.